I'd like to share with you something that uses a little wooden cup. Not just a little wooden cup, but also your imagination. I have this over here. Now it's difficult to tell what that is, but if I cover it with the cup and you use your imagination, you may imagine you see a little red ball. A little red ball appearing under the cup from your imagination. I have another one over here. If I take this one and put it next to that one and cover it with the cup, and you use your imagination, you may now imagine that you see two balls under the cup. That's two balls appearing under the cup from your imagination. I have a third one. If I take the third one, I roll it towards the cup, and you use your imagination, you may imagine that you see a third ball under the cup. That's 1, 2, 3 balls. 1, 2, 3 balls under the cup. Now if I invisibly remove one and you use your imagination, you may imagine you see a ball outside of the cup. That's 2 balls under the cup, 1 ball outside the cup. That's 1, 2. If I remove another one, you may imagine you see a second ball outside the cup. And of course, if there's 2 balls outside the cup, that only leaves 1 ball under the cup. 1 to go. This one goes into the cup. Little invisible, little imagination, and you can see now there are 3 balls outside the cup. And of course, if there's 3 balls outside the cup, there are no balls under the cup. Now watch carefully. This ball goes into my pocket. This ball goes into my pocket. And this ball goes into my pocket. Now that's 3 balls in the pocket. And if you can imagine all 3 balls in the pocket, you should be able to imagine all 3 balls under the cup. Now the problem with this routine is that these balls are very small. And that's partly my fault, because I told you to use a little imagination. However, if I had told you to use a little bit larger portion of your imagination, you may have imagined that the balls were a little bit larger. And if that ball could be larger, then of course this ball can be larger. And if this ball can be larger, then of course the last ball could also be larger. Ladies and gentlemen, 3 balls, 1 cup in your imagination. Thank you.